Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sync Google Calendar with iPhone, quick fix step by step clearly. Open your iPhone and locate the Settings app. Tap on the Settings app to open it. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Mail. Select Mail to proceed. In the Mail settings, tap on Accounts. Next, tap on Add Account. You will see a list of email services. Choose Google from this list. A new window will prompt you to enter your Google account credentials. Enter your email address and tap Next. Now, input your password and tap Next again. If prompted, complete any additional verification steps. After signing in, you'll see options to sync various data types. Make sure the toggle for calendars is switched on. You can also select other data types if you wish. Once you're satisfied, tap Save in the upper right corner. Exit the Settings app. Open the Calendar app on your iPhone. Your Google Calendar should now be synced. Give it a moment for all events to load. Check to ensure your events appear on the calendar. If you don't see your events, try restarting your iPhone. Once your iPhone is back on, reopen the Calendar app. Your Google Calendar events should now be visible. Enjoy seamless access to your Google Calendar on your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.